Alright, hey everybody, and welcome to another episode of Plumbing Yoga. Now for this one today, you're going to need to be in a very, very tight spot. This is what we call, it puts the jake in the hole or else it gets the hose again. So for this one, what you're going to need to do is get in a tight space. Let me show you. Okay, so you got to come to a tight space, and then what you want to do is get into a position here. So get onto your knees, and then you're going to go ahead and reach up here and grab the pipe. Now you're doing a great job. This main focus of this exercise is the lower back and the pectorals, as well as the biceps, as well as the triceps. So it's also kind of a pain in the neck. But if you go ahead and do this one, just make sure you keep breathing, and then you want to slide this over here like this, and boing. Okay, well, that should get that in there. All right. Anyway, guys, have a great day, and don't forget to breathe. See you next time.